Now I will show you this manual page. Manual page just for our technician for check this if this machine have some problem or something. Our technician will check this each position will running well or not. The first you will see first line is the feeding position, MA volume. You will see here. So we can use this one up and down. This is up and down. First check this piston. You will see this piston up and down inside. Right now I will show you. If you will see, I will press this down. You will see. And then up, you will see, down, up, you will see it was running, okay? You will see that, running, okay? So this is up and down, we can use this one. The second line is feeding nozzle. This is feeding nozzle position. This feeding nozzle come down, is insert this feeding nozzle. This one with the up and down. It means here, we can use this function for find this feeding nozzle, this insert bottles, this tips also. Okay, right now I'll show you. But when we start this feeding nozzle come down, we should make this tree back and then clamp this neck. Okay, so here we should this one we should this you see here we should just clamp this bottle. You see neck, bottle's neck, and also you see this is open. This is clamp this neck, and then we can use this up and down. You see here, and then we can use this down. When we press it down, you will see the feeding nozzle. You will see can run it down, up, down, and also we can use this function for find this feeding dips. Feeding nozzle is dips. You will see here we can find this position. Okay, this is parameters. Up. You will see. Okay. And this is a valve open. This valve open, it means this bore valve. Here, we show you. This one is a valve. This one valve open. This is a switch on and switch off. So this valve on and off. Okay. So this is valve on, valve off. And this downside is this is conveyor. Conveyor, we press, you will see, conveyor running. Conveyor running. And this is a loading pump. Loading pump, this we will consider about this, you will automatic feeding to this tanks. You will add this release here. Touch screen, cabinet, you will see here. K2. K2, this one is for your automatic feeding pump. So you just use this 2 wire and then connection with your pump. You can use this pump and then for automatic feeding. So here, if you need this function, we can use this one function. Okay, and this is a loading valve. You see here. This one, it means this top. Okay. Top this valve. It's a feeding, automatic feeding. Automatic feeding is valve. Okay. And this input gate and output gate. Input gate and output gate is here. Cylinder. Stop cylinder. You see 2 stop cylinder. This is in and this is out. This is to this cylinder. Okay. And this is the foam. We use this one, and then there's a foam, suck foam. And then manual 2 page. You will see this is a valve. With each one, a feeding nozzle valve. Feeding nozzle valve, if right now you will see it close. This is a valve, feeding nozzle valve. Stop dripping, feeding nozzle valve. Okay, here's out and up. And this is a feeding valve. This is nozzle valve. Okay, so this is about this manual page. Okay.